the first episode of our Agaram practice series.
We are starting with Sarali Varisai 1, but this is not just basic practice. We will sing in two ragas, Mayamalava Gowla and Mohanam, to discuss how one Varisai can open two different worlds. And stay till the end. I will share a powerful breath control tip for singing in 3 speeds. It's simple, practical, and will help you prepare for sangathis and birgas. Before we sing, let's align our body and awareness. Here are a few do's and don'ts for today's practice. Sit straight, spine aligned, shoulders relaxed. Sing with a full open throat. Close your eyes for a moment and feel the swaras, not just hear them. Don't sing from your lips or use a false voice. Avoid shallow breath or incomplete tone. Varisais are not just basic lessons. When you practice them in different ragas, you sharpen your swarasthana and you feel the raga bhavam more deeply. It's like cooking. The recipe stays the same, but the spices change. Each raga brings its own flavor.
Let's begin with Sarali Varisai first exercise in Mayamalavava Gowla in first speed. I sing the exercise with swara once and repeat it in Agaram 3 times. Let's move to second speed. Finally, third speed.
Now let's try the same Varisai but in Mohanam. Notice how the Bhavam shifts, even though the structure is the same. Let's begin in
first speed. Let's move to second speed.
Did you feel the difference between Mayamalavava Gowla and Mohanam? That's the magic of using Varisai as a raga exploration tool. Same notes, new emotion. That's how we develop Raga Bhavam. As promised, here is a powerful tip to make your 3-speed practice more effective. In first speed, try to hold each swara with one full breath. In second speed, aim of 8 swaras in one breath. In third speed, go for 16 swaras per breath and try repeating 2 full cycles without pause. This helps build stamina, flow and control for sangathis and birgas. Next week, we will practice Sarali Varisai second exercise in Mayamalava Gowla and Kalyani. Each week, we will explore a new raga, a new Varisai and go deeper into your voice. If you enjoyed today's session, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And join me live every Saturday.